Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the September VillaBeautifful kit, Hello Beautifful. September is VillaBeautiful's anniversary month, and she always packs her anniversary kits with so many super fun items inside, so I'm really excited to open this up, see what's in there, not to mention find out what the mystery item is. So let's get started. So let's start off with the paper pack add-on. This comes with 4 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch decorative paper. It is on a really great quality cardstock, nice and shiny and thick. The designs are great and they are perfectly coordinated with the kit, so you can just set up your entire planner if you like to do paper crafts, make your own covers, dashboards, dividers. So many great options to do with those. The paper pack also includes 2 sheets of specialty paper, so this month we have this bow vellum, and the background is a really light brushstroke pattern. So pretty. And the second sheet is another vellum with a makeup supply pattern on it. For those of you who don't know, before Tiffany was a planner boss, she was a makeup artist, so this kit is right up her alley. The theme is so great, and she curated this kit so well. So this is a journaling card that was tucked into the front of the pouch I showed at the beginning of the video. She put a sweet little note on the back, and I wanted to show this off individually just because the brush strokes that she uses, it's one of my favorite elements in every kit that she features it in. It's so pretty. And another look at the pouch that's included in this month's kit. The material is a really pretty, shiny rose gold color. I love that shimmer. It's got a window here so you can see all of your contents, a nice zipper closure, and I mean everything from the kit aside from the paper pack was tucked in here, so it can really hold a lot of items inside as well. Next up is this month's washi card featuring some really pretty rose gold foiling on all of the makeup supplies. You've got your brushes, lipsticks, palettes. I cannot wait to stick this in my planner. I don't have a ring bound planner. I use a traveler's notebook, so I'll probably tuck this into the pocket of one of those. So really excited to start using this. Next up we have our journal card pack, so I will flip through those. Okay, so first up we have this stunning makeup tray with all of the different brushes, and you can see that the lettering on there is foil. And the next one has a rose gold foiled quote, and again with these brush strokes, which I absolutely adore. The next one is a row of perfume bottles. They are all foiled along with Glam Girl. And then we have a row of eyelashes and a foiled quote that says wake up and makeup, and I love how these swatches look just like makeup swatches. That's such a great touch. And last but definitely not least, I mean look how gorgeous this is. We have the brush strokes with a foiled quote that says be your own kind of beautiful. This is just perfect. I love this set. And here's just another look at all of them together because they are just too pretty to not stare at. Next up, we have a pack of adhesive corner pockets, so I will flip through those. So first up, we have this line of makeup brushes, and I love that all of these are foiled as well. There's such a great detail. Then we have eyelashes with Glam Life, and then a lipstick tube that says So Fancy. And these look so good when you pair them with the paper from the paper pack. Just trim it down to size, stick these over in the corner, and you have a really great coordinating pocket to add in all of your favorite journaling cards and stickers. And I'm starting to get to the point where every item I pull out is one of my favorites. That is how good these kits are, but I can't say it enough. Her sticky notes always just blow me out of the water. These are so pretty. Everything is foiled. You get a ton of pages included. So this is just one of my favorite items again is her sticky notes. I have quite the collection built up of these. And can I just say how thrilled I am that these VillaBeautifful sticker books are going to be included in all the kits going forward. This is just such a great value. I mean, look at all of these stickers that you get. So here are the full boxes. Try and get a little wiggle in there so you can see the foil. We've got some really pretty quotes in there. And then we have the icons. These are foil too. Then some different, ooh, I like those Bill Do stickers. Some more circle icons, canceled and rescheduled labels. And then we have this sheet that is one of my favorites. So you've got your weekly tracker here, some clipboards and full boxes with tons of space to write on. Oh, love this sheet too. This is all of the half boxes. I mean, look at those lashes at the top. How pretty are those? And we have another foiled sheet, so I'll wiggle that for you. This one has all the different labels with the foiled phrases on there. And I love the script that she uses too. The regular font is great too, but I love the script. Got some foiled lashes, some lipstick prints. I love using these bottom ones as like washi strips, just as a little bit of extra decoration. And then we have a full sheet of deco. I mean, hardly any kits, even just regular sticker kits, come with a full sheet of deco anymore. And that's always one of my favorite parts. And if you are a white space planner, you can make this kit last for so long, just like weeks, because there's so much to work with. I mean, look at those brush strokes. You've got your fashion girls at the bottom. So many pretty details. Okay, next up we have our date covers, some arrows and labels at the bottom, our tabs, and a little close-up of those two different date cover designs. And the last sheet is the checklist and flags, and I will do a little close-up of some of the different patterns on there. Those bows and the brushes are my favorite. So pretty. And yes, this is one of my, I'm going to say it again, I'm getting annoying now, I know, favorite items. This is just too much. I love it. Okay, now this kit also included two special items, which are enamel pins. I love to stick them onto my cork board and just use that as a little bit of extra decoration. They're so cute. So this one is a little Tiffy doll, and her bow has sparkles. And this one is just too adorable for words. This is actually a collaboration with Megan from Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. She has all of the different stickers and doodles of the Villa Beautiful pins, all of which I own because they're amazing and I collect them. So I'm really excited to have a pin of the different pin cases, a pin. And yeah, let's get a little close up of the pin shimmer. They shimmer just as pretty as Tiffany's actual pins do. This is amazing. I love this. Alright, let's move on to the washies. We get a skinny size and a standard size in this month's kit, both featuring rose gold foiling. The bottom skinny size has a floral print with the different lines throughout the flowers being foiled. And then the top one has the different makeup supplies. We've got bobby pins and palettes and brushes and different rose gold like paint splatters kind of scattered throughout the print. So lots of really, really pretty detailing on these. And of course, this month's pin is as gorgeous as all of them are. I love the barrel color, the pretty pink logo, gold hardware, and then let's get a super close-up, if it can focus, on the deep, pretty colors of this crystal mix. I could watch this shimmer and shine all day. That is so pretty. Okay, just letting you know that I'm about to show off the mystery item, so if you don't want to know, if you haven't got your kit yet and you want to be surprised, do not watch. It's another pin! And this one is stunning, beautiful, fantastic, fabulous. There are no words for this one. It actually reminds me of the one that I entered into the Villa Beautiful pin contest where you designed your dream pin. It's got the really gorgeous pink barrel, gold hardware, and then the crystal mix looks like iridescent pink and black crystals. Yeah, this is pretty much exactly what I had in mind whenever I entered my submission. This is just such a great color combination and matches this kit so well. I love this so much. 2 VB pins in one kit. This is like overload. I can't deal. So amazing and super generous. And the VB kits always include a refill for your pins, so you don't have to worry about hoarding any ink or holding off on using them. These are also available in the shop in case you need some backups. And that does it for this unboxing. I am so thrilled with the contents of this kit. I'd like to take a minute to tell Tiffany happy anniversary, and I wish you and Villa Beautiful all the best. I can't wait to add all of these Hello Beautiful pieces into the black, white, and pink setup that I've been working on in my new planner I just got. So follow me over on Instagram if you'd like to check out those photos, all of my planner and craft space pictures. For more information on pre-ordering kits, pricing, and important dates to remember, head to VillaBeautifful.com. I have a link in the description below, as well as all of my discount codes. And I can link the Villa Beautiful Facebook group as well, so you can check that out and find out all of the great information and inspirational photos that are in there. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!